Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Children, let's continue chapter number 7, Handling Pollution and Disasters. Students, we have already read about types of pollution and types of disasters. Now, today we will read about prevention of natural disasters. Okay? Disaster plan. Natural disasters cannot be prevented, but the damage they cause can be reduced by being prepared and having a safety plan to follow in the event of a disaster. Okay, children, natural disasters cannot be prevented, but the damage they cause can be reduced. How to be prepared for natural disasters? Okay. First of all, earthquake. What will we do during earthquake? Prevention and mitigation of natural disasters. Earthquake. During earthquake, what should you do? Houses in earthquake prone areas should be made of lightweight materials such as wood. Buildings, dams, roads, and bridges must be built according to proper rules of safety. Okay, when an earthquake strikes, run out of your home and reach an open place. Now come out in an open place. Away from buildings, trees, telephone, and electrical lines. Avoid using a lift and use the stairs instead. Children, during earthquake, avoid using lift. Now use stairs. If you are trapped inside the house, if you are in a house during an earthquake, take shelter under a strong table or bed. Stay away from windows, almirahs, beams and pillars. Okay. Now children, see this. What to do during an earthquake when you are indoors? Do not panic. Drop on the floor. Take cover and hold on. See this, children. Stay away from window, heavy furniture and appliances. Okay. When you are indoor. Now when you are outdoors, drop to the ground and stay there till shaking stops. If you are in the car, pull over to clear location, stop and stay there. Move away from buildings, trees and power lines. Okay. Now if you are in mountainous area, be alert for falling rocks and stones. Okay. If you are in coastal region, move to higher ground when shaking stops. See children, take this position. Drop, cover and then hold on. Okay, if you are indoor. People inside vehicles should drive slowly to an open space. A disaster emergency kit containing useful items such as a torch, first aid kit, knife, candles, match, some cash and food items should be kept ready. See this, it is an emergency kit. This emergency kit contains whistle, dust mark, first aid kit, flashlight and batteries, food, water, all these essential things. Okay children? Volcano eruption. Volcanic eruption. What should you do during volcanic eruption? People should evacuate to a safe place as suggested by the authorities. Okay, people should evacuate to a safe place as suggested by the authorities. Electronic equipment and gadgets must be switched off. Keep an emergency supply kit with items like food items, water, a radio, extra flashlights and batteries, goggles and disposable breathing mask. Okay children? See this disaster supply kit: dust mask, whistle, food, first aid kit, flashlights, goggles, candles. This kit contains these necessary items. Okay. Now next is tsunami. Tsunami warning system must be installed in coastal areas to warn people about the impending disaster so that they can move to higher ground. Understood? Tsunami warning system must be installed especially in coastal areas to warn people. Ensure that the food and water consumed in an area affected by a tsunami are not contaminated, as this can cause spread of disease such as typhoid and cholera. Okay, food and water consumed in an area affected by a tsunami are not polluted, not contaminated. Okay. Now next is drought. Drought prone areas should be connected to water from rivers through canals. Okay. Farmers should be educated about the bad effect of deforestation and overgrazing by animals, lack of vegetation reduces the amount of rainfall received significantly. Okay children, farmers should be educated about the bad effect of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees on a large scale. Trees and crops that require less water should be grown. Okay. Constructing water storage structures such as reservoirs, ponds and lakes can help to collect water from rainfall. This water can be stored for future use and this is known as rainwater harvesting. Okay children? We must note wastewater, save water. Okay? And crops should be grown that require less water, like millet, sorghum. These crops require very less water. So these crops can be grown in drought prone areas. Drip irrigation should be used. It saves water. And planting more trees. Rainwater harvesting system. We can use rainwater for future use. We can store rainwater for future use. Now next is cyclone. What should you do during cyclone? Early warning about approaching cyclones on radio and television can protect people from the destruction they could cause. Sirens are also used to inform people about cyclones. Okay children? People must leave an area before it is hit by a cyclone. Otherwise, they should move to the strongest part of their house. During cyclone. Roofs of houses should be strengthened so that they are not blown away by the strong force of cyclonic wind. All of you know what is cyclone? A cyclone is a severe storm in which wind spins in a circle. Okay? Precautions during cyclone. Keep listening to your portable radio for information on the cyclone's progress. Disconnect electrical appliances and turn off gas supply valves. Keep your emergency kit with you. Take your relocation kit with you if you have been advised to relocate. Stay away from doors and windows and keep them closed and locked. Stay inside until the all clear is given by authorities. Stay inside until the all clear is given by authorities. Okay, children? That's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic very well. Have a good day.